Hello everyone, welcome back to Bullet Journaling with Eve. Today I want to share with you my first weekly setup for December 2024. Here we have a little visitor, my cat Leon. I will create an 8-day weekly spread that is still in our theme. Our theme was Polar Express, and the logs for the days here will replace the windows of the train. I will link our monthly setup video here. Let's go straight to the materials. You will need a bullet journal. I am using this one from Notebook Therapy. Then a Ohuhu alcohol marker. I am using the Ohuhu acrylic markers for some gold details and the BLUMAD acrylic marker in white. Then a pencil, an eraser and a ruler. I will also use this Carioca metallic paint and I will use these simple brushes for it. So let's jump right into our weekly spread. As you can see, I divided my page into 8 identical daily logs and I will start by coloring the background. For this, I will use PB6 and PB8 Ohuhu alcohol markers. The darker one will be for the bottom portion of the page and the lighter one will be for the top. I considered covering the daily logs with washi tape to prevent color from seeping into them, but I realized that I would still add black borders to each log. This way, I can ensure everything looks aligned and neat. As you can see, I have already applied the darker shade to the lower part of the background. Now, I am using the lighter shade for the top portion. I will switch the plastic protective sheet to the next page and repeat the process. Of course, I will blend two colors in the middle to ensure they transition smoothly. Now that the background is done, I will move on to the daily logs. I will take a black Ohuhu acrylic marker and create a border at the top of each daily log. I will aim to be as precise as possible, drawing straight lines, and I will try to make them thick enough to add a gold border later as well. I also realized that using a ruler makes this step even easier, so I decided to use it and show you how. First, I created a bottom line to separate the blue background from the daily logs. Then I added another line above it and filled in the space between with black. Once all the frames were completed, I began decorating the spread by adding borders and titles for the days. I marked my first day as S. And I will use the Ohuhu gold acrylic marker to add titles. I will write the first 3 letters of each day onto my spread. To do this, I will carefully place those 3 letters in the center of the upper border. Here you can see that I made mistake. I accidentally wrote Saturday instead of Sunday. However, I decided to leave it as is and just add borders to my frames. Here's how it turned out. As you can see, I created borders using a black Ohuhu alcohol marker and then added details with a gold acrylic marker. However, there are some smudges on the page. If you have any ideas on how I can remove those smudges, please leave me a comment down below. After that, I will use the gold acrylic marker to add dates. These will be written as large numbers at the bottom of my borders, which also serve as a train windows. Next, it's time to choose which Carioca metallic color I should use. I was debating between 2 shades. This one that is a little bit more orange and then this one. In the end, I chose this one because I felt it would work best with the gold acrylic marker I am using. I will also use a size 2 brush to create stars, but before that, I will add snow first. To add snowflakes, I will use a BLUMAD acrylic paint marker in white and simply place dots at the top of my weekly spread. Moving forward, the next video you will find on my channel will feature my 2025 yearly setup in a new bullet journal. I have some exciting ideas and I created a poll for you to vote on which theme you would like to see. I am considering a setup that will maintain coherence throughout the entire year. For example, if I choose a specific color, everything will follow that color scheme and so on. If you would like to be part of this decision, please check my community page and vote for your favorite theme for my 2025 bullet journal. You can also leave a comment suggesting which spreads I should include in my new setup. Now, my weekly spread is finally complete. As you can see, I really love the shimmer on this page. The gold details are simply stunning. And this layout was easy to create, something you can easily recreate in your own bullet journal. That's all for today. I hope you enjoyed this video and I will see you in the next one. Don't forget to check my community page and vote for the 2025 bullet journal theme. See you next week. Bye!